In this video, I will show you how you can split the screen on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Multitasking and Gestures. Now instead of full screen apps, either select Windowed Apps or Stage Manager. I will select Windowed Apps, and after you do that, you will be able to open apps in a split screen view. Now if you have opened an app in a full screen view, now to enable split screen, just swipe up a bit from the top of the screen and you will find this menu. Over here, just select Window, and from this pop-up menu, just select Move and Resize. Over here, you will find a few options to split the screen. As you can see, you can split the screen into halves. You also have the option for quarters and arrange. For an example, I'll split the screen and I'll set this app on the left side. Now to open any other app on the right side, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and select any other app to open it on the other side. If the other app has opened in a pop-up window, then just tap and hold on the three dots over here. And from this menu, you can select where you want to set this window. I will set it on the right side. And as you can see, we have opened two apps in a split screen view. As you can see, we can increase or decrease the size of a window by dragging this app from the center of the screen. But if you want to open more than two apps in a split screen view, you can open up to 4 apps at the same time in a split screen view. Now for that, let's go to the home screen and let's open 4 apps in a pop-up window. For example, I'll open the File app. Now I'll open the Photos app. For example, if an app has opened in a full screen view, just drag the app upward from the bottom right corner on the screen, and the app will open in a split screen view. Now to split screen between 4 apps at the same time, just tap and hold on 3 dots over here, and this time just select quarters. As you can see, we have opened 4 apps in split screen view at the same time, just like that. Now you also have the option to open 3 apps in a split screen view at the same time, and it will give you more like an iPhone usage experience. But if you want, you can open 4 apps in quarters, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.